Introducing the Breeze33 liquid-tight conduit and connectors, your ultimate solution for secure and durable wiring installations in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. The Breeze33 non-metallic liquid-tight flexible conduit offers exceptional protection for your wiring needs. Resistant to oil, water, and UV damage, this conduit is built to last in even the toughest conditions. Watertight and approved for direct burial, it's perfect for a variety of applications, providing a continuous protective pathway for your electrical wiring. The Breeze33 liquid-tight straight connector ensures a secure, watertight connection. Designed to work seamlessly with Type B flexible liquid-tight conduit, it resists corrosion from oil, water, and UV damage, making it ideal for long-lasting protection. For installations in confined spaces, the Breeze33 liquid-tight elbow connector simplifies the process while maintaining a continuous protective pathway for your wiring. Available in 1/2-inch and 3/4-inch sizes and in both metallic and non-metallic options, Breeze33 connectors are versatile to meet all your installation needs. Engineered for reliability and ease of use, all Breeze33 conduits and connectors are assembled with UL components and come with a 1-year warranty. Breeze33. High quality, priced right.